Pre-intermediate, 10. The importance of emotional intelligence. For a long time, people believed that a high IQ, intelligence quotient, was the most important factor for success in life. However, psychologists have discovered that AQ, emotional intelligence, is often more significant. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. People with high AQ are usually better at communicating, solving conflicts, and building strong relationships. In the workplace, leaders who have high emotional intelligence can motivate their teams more effectively and create a positive environment. They are able to stay calm under pressure and make better decisions. The good news is that unlike IQ, which is mostly determined by genetics, AQ can be developed and improved over time. One way to increase emotional intelligence is through self-awareness, which means paying attention to how you feel and why. For example, if you feel angry, you should try to understand the cause of that anger before reacting. Another important part of AQ is empathy, which is the ability to see things from another person's perspective. When we practice empathy, we become more patient and kind towards others. In today's world, where we interact with many different people, having strong emotional intelligence is essential for both personal happiness and professional growth. It allows us to navigate the complexities of social life with ease and grace.